Oh, hi, look what I got. I got the blender of my dreams, guys. The blender of my dreams. Hi Magis gang, my name is Majojiba Maji for short. If you're new here, you are welcome to Cooking with Maji. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to Cooking with Maji. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Ninja Professional Blender Duo Plus Auto IQ. Gee! Here we have a quick start guide and the owner's guide, or owner's manual as I would like to call it. A 64 Oz maximum capacity total crushing pitcher which has a stacked blade assembly, and oh boy, these blades look sharp. This is the lid for the pitcher, or the pitcher lid. I blame the excitement of getting my dream blender for my inability to read the instructions on the pitcher lid, honestly.
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
You see the white strip on the lid? Yes, that white strip. It has the instructions on how to put the pitcher lid on the pitcher, but for some reason my brain couldn't comprehend it. Oh my god! Wow! Moral of the story: don't get carried away in the moment. I like that the pitcher lid has an opening that you could use to pour out free-flowing liquids in a reasonably controlled manner. Now that I am educated, let me do it again. I've never had a blender with a stacked blade assembly, so this will be very interesting to use. Here I have a 24 Oz single serve cup with a spout lid to have my fresh drinks and smoothies on the go. There is also a second 24 Oz single serve cup, and this one is attached to the Pro Extractor blades assembly. These are the kind of blades I am used to seeing in blenders. Click the like button if you agree. There is a spout lid for the second cup as well, so I could always use it on the go. This is the motor base. It has some shiny buttons which I am curious to explore soon. Okay fam, so there you have it. I have unboxed the blender of my dreams. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you have this blender, or if you plan to buy this blender soon. I will be making another video testing out the blender, so please make sure you are subscribed and also click on the bell to turn on post notifications. I will see you in my next video, but till then, as always, stay blessed and remember God loves you. Bye!